It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
This is my 1975 Pontiac LeMans Sport Coupe. The exterior color of this car was a factory option for 1975 for GM. The color is called Gray Stone. It also features a maroon pinstriping. The wheels on this car, the rims, are old school chrome SS Kragers, 15-inch. The Mastercraft Avenger GT tires. The interior is maroon with wood grain accents. The seats are vinyl. It has a 350 cubic inch Pontiac V8 engine. It was recently rebuilt by Carolina Machine Engines in Johnston, South Carolina. It's backed by a 3-speed automatic transmission. The carburetor is a Holley Street Avenger 770 dual pumper. It has an aluminum Ellenbrock aftermarket intake. It has aftermarket valve covers that came from Summit Racing. For the exhaust, it has long tubular headers. It has stainless steel true dual exhaust coming out the back, equipped with glass packed tubular mufflers. This was my first car. I've had it since 2003. It was passed down to me by my grandfather. He originally bought it brand new in June of 1975. I hope y'all enjoyed this tour of my car. If y'all want to connect with me socially, you can search my username on Facebook. I'll post it right here on the video. You'll also find links on my page to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking it out.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!